Kajirang kabinet mentakasngi kashtra jumang ajabsan karai ban Pynkiew Kyrdan high secondary school level ya nduti school Sorkar kajela bat ban pliru extreme kentup art science bat koma sari kadwe Tylli school kenang ban pelak ban peliang kelas jadi semla bapas matrik dangsian umutri Sorkar jela bapolong do long bak Sorkar jela kan hab ban plut cucu sakumbasi fau kelu tengkai na kajing Pynkiew Kyrdan high secondary school level bat kajing pli ya extreme kadwe Tylli school Rung bakadon ka jinguna haduk kar Hajar ban pediang Klas semua ban tel kami kani ka Sorkar karai ban kentiu Kyrdan yaki haka ba kendai Hajar ngot onla ban pediang Klas themai hari negi Skul Kiba ka Sorkar kentiu Kyrdan bat ke play yaki stream
of the introduction of these new streams and the upgradation of public schools from secondary to higher secondary schools will cost the government exchequer roughly 10 crores per annum. We will be adding to match the demand by next year. I'm talking only of government schools, higher secondary schools being upgraded. Okay, but this is the overall deficit throughout the state, whereby we also have institutions like the church institutions running such schools. So that deficit is currently being addressed by them, but a major shortfall is being addressed in today's cabinet, raising the tally to 9,000. But by the next academic year, we should be able to match that, bridge that gap as well. We would add new streams in certain higher secondary schools which do not have those streams currently. These will be the science stream for Tirot Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Nong Klau, commerce streams in Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Tura, Dalu Government Secondary School, West Garo Hills, Bakbara Government Higher Secondary School, Bakbara, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Jawai, and Sorkar Government Higher Secondary School, Sorkar. These schools, which currently only have arts and science streams, will now get the benefit of the addition of commerce as a stream. Arts stream, which currently is not being taught, will now be introduced in Jirang Government Secondary School, Riboy District, Resubelpara Government Higher Secondary School, Resubelpara, and Mahram Government Higher Secondary School, Maukarwa. This is in the art stream. In the science and commerce streams, we will add United Karkuta Government Higher Secondary School, North Garo Hills, Malangkona Government Higher Secondary School, Malangkona, which will now also have science streams. So, in all, 6 government higher secondary schools will be upgraded to higher secondary, and 11 schools which do not have certain streams will now have those streams.